In a world where health is becoming a priority for millions, keeping up with the latest nutrition trends is more important than ever. Welcome to Health Tips 365. Today, we dive into the most exciting and revolutionary trends in healthy nutrition that are shaping the way we eat, live, and thrive. In today's fast-paced world, the quest for healthy living has become more prominent than ever. With the increasing awareness of how diet impacts our overall well-being, the trend of healthy nutrition has taken center stage. People are no longer just eating to satisfy hunger. They are eating to nourish their bodies, to prevent diseases, and to enhance their quality of life. This shift in mindset has led to a variety of trends that are shaping the way we approach food and nutrition. One of the most significant trends is the move towards plant-based diets. This doesn't necessarily mean that everyone is becoming vegetarian or vegan, but there's a noticeable increase in the consumption of plant-based foods. This trend is driven by the growing body of research, highlighting the benefits of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. These foods are rich in essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining good health. Moreover, plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Another trend gaining momentum is the focus on whole foods. People are becoming more conscious of the ingredients in their meals, opting for foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Whole foods are minimally processed and free from artificial additives, preservatives, and refined sugars. This trend is a response to the increasing awareness of the negative effects of processed foods, which are often linked to obesity, hypertension, and other health issues. By choosing whole foods, individuals aim to consume more nutrients and avoid the harmful effects of artificial substances. Intermittent fasting has also emerged as a popular trend. This eating pattern involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, and it's believed to have numerous health benefits. Intermittent fasting can aid in weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even extend lifespan. The idea is that by giving the body a break from constant digestion, it can focus on repairing and rejuvenating itself. This trend appeals to those looking for a flexible approach to dieting that doesn't require constant calorie counting or food restriction. Superfoods have become a buzzword in the realm of healthy nutrition. These are foods that are exceptionally high in nutrients and are thought to offer various health benefits. Examples include quinoa, chia seeds, kale, and blueberries. The appeal of superfoods lies in their ability to deliver a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a convenient addition to a healthy diet. While the term superfood is often used for marketing purposes, the underlying idea is to incorporate nutrient-dense foods that support overall health. The importance of gut health has also come to the forefront of nutritional trends. The gut microbiome, which consists of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive tract, plays a crucial role in our health. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, a stronger immune system, and even better mental health. As a result, there is a growing emphasis on consuming probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt and kefir, while prebiotics are fibers that feed these beneficial bacteria. Together, they help maintain a healthy gut environment. Sustainability is another key factor influencing current nutrition trends. As people become more aware of the environmental impact of their food choices, there is a shift towards more sustainable eating habits. This includes reducing meat consumption, supporting local and organic farming, and minimizing food waste. Sustainable nutrition not only benefits the planet, but also encourages the consumption of fresh, seasonal produce that is often more nutritious and flavorful. Personalized nutrition is gaining traction as well. With advancements in technology, it is now possible to tailor diets to an individual's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and health goals. Personalized nutrition takes into account factors such as metabolism, food sensitivities, and specific health conditions to create a diet plan that is uniquely suited to each person. This trend recognizes that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition, and that personalized strategies can lead to better health outcomes. The rise of digital platforms and social media has also played a significant role in spreading these nutrition trends. People have access to a wealth of information and can easily share their experiences and tips with a global audience. This connectivity has fostered a community of health-conscious individuals who inspire and motivate each other to adopt healthier eating habits. In conclusion, the healthy nutrition trend is not just about following the latest fad. It's about making informed choices that promote long-term health and well-being. Whether it's embracing plant-based diets, focusing on whole foods, or personalizing nutrition plans, the goal is to create a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating. As we continue to learn more about the impact of nutrition on our health, these trends will likely evolve, but the underlying principles of nourishing our bodies and respecting our environment will remain constant. Embracing these trends can lead to a healthier, happier life, and it's an exciting time to be part of this movement towards better nutrition. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Tips 365 for more expert insights on leading a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep making choices that nourish your body and mind.